Civilized nation, Richard Brown films. Oh, big boy, playing with your drugs tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy, she say, one thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Hey, pastor boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now go for your church, boss. Not Both you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system, a twister. But you are part of the system, what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your drugs tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right?
Now go through no more drama with them.
Oh, big boy. Oh,
Wow. Where you go?
Where
you go?
Move front in front of me.
Easy
what?
Talk to me now.
I'm not talk to you. I'm done with you and your crosses pitney. I'm tired. The little boy tie me up. The little boy beat me. The little boy done some things that I never did.
Watch all of that. Just easy.
No. Listen, man. Move front in front of me.
No.
Move front in front of you. You know what?
Simone,
look. You don't want no money.
Enough money this in the room now.
Move front in front of me.
See it, man. 25.
No, I don't want it. I don't want. That cannot help me. Your son are gonna kill me.
I know some love.
Love now here again.
Yes, beer.
No step it now, but disrespect them with I'm done.
Yeah, just listen.
No, I'm done.
Yes.
What? Listen what?
Can't do without you, girl. What me I gonna do? Stay in there with him alone. He might tie me up too.
Are you alone him for kill?
Yes.
It's not my child.
I'm indifferent from me and you.
I'm not with no more step it. I can't deal with it. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I'm done.
Yes. Candy. Jump out there. Let them run the goal, man. Hunger like a tree know when me hungry. Hunger lime tree know when me hungry. Hunger breadfruit tree know when the rats hungry. Inna the hills man I hunt it. Hunger like a tree know when me hungry.
Michelle! Morning.
When the ras hungry, in the hills man I hunt it. Hungry like a tree, know when me hungry. Hungry and tree.
Money down, where are they live?
There, you know. So you have it all them on the veranda.
You know, so yesterday we had to do some work and it was pouring a little bit. The things that came them put up is still, but there, for the day, you know, no problem. I'm going to try to get my fish for cheer up. Done the bed yesterday. I'll lift it, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of tired out, so I'm just going to use this chance to do it.
Are you do you chair them?
Yeah, man, I'm here up them, you see it? Fresh up about free time. Yeah, man, so that's the profile.
Which one there?
Oh!
Candy!
Man, we just come and do that. I don't see her fight today. I see her last night. I see her last night. So I guess you could have... This one shorter. The man in the know, them people love wake up early some time.
You don't get a mess on a song and start, I figure say.
Oh, the song we asked a while ago. It's a good vibration, man. So what you do now? You need to take it to the studio. Yes, I can help you, you know. You think Aki Tree can bust you?
I get a piece of food for now, man, and then I go back in the studio. Really. You can give me 2 lines in it if you have no. Because I don't know Rasta thing. Rasta no walk and everything.
Right now, I just try to fix a chair, yeah. Yeah, man, so. It's a good vibration though. But Aki Tree can help you really. You have to take it to the studio. The other people can hear it. You know what I mean? It's a good vibration, can me hear it.
Alright, man, I do it.
Yeah, man, so. Let's say, how long do you there for, man?
You don't go over me, I go change off my clothes and come back.
Oh, you there, fam? Are you still last night?
No, but me that pass through one, you see me? You see I kill them and I say I come forward, come pick them still.
Mosquito there or something. Outside. I believe so. Boy, knock the door and gone with the key. Look at you know, that boy, big boy. You see, when I catch you, when I don't beat you, your papa turn when they are feeling. Hey!
Really? You want son?
Brandy!
What you do when I kiss you? Push it, baby, come. Push it harder, man. Can I do that kind of...
I would have fire! Juta!
Candy, I see you saying that.
Hey! Juta, you that!
Yo, I see you saying that there.
Let me go for me. Big boy lock me up in and gone. Wait till I catch him. I'm going to kill him with lick.
What's up? See the way you lock up in that
Jesus, thank you. I nobody want to tea.
Where do you have to?
Nobody want no tea.
You lock up in that place, so.
Big boy. I be trouble in the gimme. And so you know say me I go lick him come here ask him about the partner money when take on you.
You know there from man you know they say no.
From man me out there so.
And the rasta all do the chair. From man you out there.
Look here. You know say big one let me sleep in there so do.
You sleeping there so?
Right there so me sleep. I go wait till when time me hold him. Can't believe someone not see him from morning. Fire. You there here?
Yes, from morning you there man.
It won't come from morning or you just come. Who just come?
Me just forward.
Are you there from morning? Then you can hear me a call around there so?
I don't hear nobody a fire make me come on the veranda to
come. And me a beat down the door so?
So I keep me that pick man. So I keep me that pick, I don't hear nothing.
So you know say big boy lock me up in the kitchen because he sending for me partner money from the woman and the little boy take me money and use it and go keep party with his friend them and one for drinking and junking all kind of sitting along in the house. I lock me up in the kitchen. I in them sleep right now. My neck feel like a crick. Come here to sleep on the cylinder. Sit down up and sleep.
We'll start tired of
Last night, I see and I come from you say you couldn't stay up at school. Yeah, so when I come to the party over here, I might keep birthday party. No, if I keep birthday party, come just do.
Big boy at 10 and his birthday not come yet. I 4th of January, big boy born. So when him my 11-year-old, I go keep up one birthday party for him. Me send him for me money from the woman, the partner money. Remember say me all people say him kind broke people pick me on. And the rest of money me want give woman. Me send him feet and him take a key party. Now me they talk to him about him. Why trick me tell me how money they pan top our rate in a room when me go there not a money. Why tell me say in the kitchen when me go in the kitchen the boy lock the door and gone. So you not see him from morning.
With a pinch in my neck.
No, I'm not seeing for man.
I ain't let me sleep on the cylinder right now, my neck, me just tell you. You know it can hurt.
You where you going to do? You see later, you can't look before fire at it. You fish it here. But go look for your picnic, you must be about the place. Go check him over Chucky.
Me I wonder if you over Chucky yard.
Check simple there, I think
so Chucky father just let me out, you know?
Yeah, but
I mean ask him already inside and see him.
Where Chucky there?
When I see Chucky.
So where big boy there? Let's see two of them.
Sit down on them for morning.
You go see them today. It's two of them in one place, because two of them they gave party last night.
Fire.
Check him go get them yard, that's what two for
fire. You see big boy? I know me take a
I mean I sleep out, take them a sleep out.
I'm dirty pooper. I mean I gone on station go report saying missing me. In the hour come back in here.
Boy, you know, so different from that though.
Me not go nowhere.
Go check how one little girl them yard when they party. Some of them little girl them mother and father would have done dead and them asleep over there.
So after me sit down up all night and get one uncomfortable sleep and big one make me neck a hot me because me have to sleep on the cylinder. Me figure walk and ask friend for him.
No, me just tell you can do. But anyway, find that. Check me later about your neck. Me have piece of liquid up for your there.
Piece of liquid?
No, liquid, it come out of one piece of pipe. When that go up on your neck, you feel better.
So you sure say you can make it stop hurting?
It can make your neck stop from crook.
Any pain, you happy?
Any pain, yeah, what you call it? It have mineral in it and sodium. Yeah man, it have a lot of vitamin C and D and A and Q and Z and Z.
All S.
Yeah.
Me I come up the feet because it hurt me. I can't believe the big boy really lock the door with me in the kitchen to know what I do with the money.
Alright, different from that though. The money what him take away a partner money, right?
I partner money me send him for friendly woman.
Yeah, but it's me, no response to not partner because the partner John never feel. So anyway, we're going to have that partner Monday because we need to go to me and attend to me, I don't know. We just go and try to finish it because see the trailer done, the one I done on this, the one I done. The bed in the house done, so that means they work done here for me right now. Pack up my tool now because I'm kind of, because I'm not have to repair. Because you know, crack or nothing. So my work done now, so we don't want to look money. We look money there now. Because that's a good.
Me have the money figure different.
Alright, let's go fit and give me we can cut. Because you see the argument.
Me said me wake up with one piece of gas in my stomach. Me could even bother drink the tea. Me said on the tea on the fire, you know. And the way me glad said you to come help me. Me just lock off his stove. Me no bother
want to raise some money to come and go around our studio. Me da get an idea this morning.
Don't know for the next.
What you say?
No one raise some money, you know.
Me no give you money already. Juta me no owe you nothing. Remember, so me give you 20,000 first, and then the last money when me can count you 10 grand. Me still where you can't count.
Yo, fire, you can't let nothing out of here. It's a 4,000.
You want to
go? True, me go, man.
What me have to go do? Me have to go sum up the money when we get it and then we talk to you. So go on over here, we done. Now we can make since you know the money here. You know no business here. When we done, we go check. Let me just start to start up the business.
Okay. So I broke your broke and come and trick me.
No, I'm gone. Come here, reason now. Me tell her what you know. So with big boy, the reason why big boy I behave that way there. Actually not have a role model around him. You see me, aka Fire, when you check it out, you see I did everything in an order. The youth now no order, in outer order. You know what I mean?
I understand.
So you want somebody to look up to like a father.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Same circle.
And if you know, put a road man in your life, in the future, to control him go harder.
That's true.
Alright, so me I say to you now, can define when me I say give me a look work. And you are growing, but me no want the work you know, me put in my application. After I get my money and spend half the money, me and you can chat about that, but me just tell you from now, say, after I get the money, because one thing, this woman come with responsibility and we don't want to take the response, but we have the ability.
Fire. Broke man broke my vibes. You the wait till you broke. Me if you approve for your application, no bother. Me will stay with big boy. Before some find another man we can help support me and him. I don't need bad like a years. Me will deal with it.
But me tell you something though. I can teach you something now. Broke man broke your vibes. What you do now, ensure send me no broke. That means your vibes won't broke. You go out there go walk, your money can't give me. See plum tree down there now, you can't be just like the plum tree, produce things and I can sell it out. Yeah, they can sell out on the road with you.
Where's the me fi do? Where just the me fi do? Me fi go work and your money can't give you.
Yeah.
How could I ask that?
No, love.
Love.
Yeah, love.
So, me fi see one man.
If you fall in love,
Like a dog.
Yeah.
And love him just through love. Not love him for nothing else.
No.
And work and give him for me money and me have so much important.
No, listen to man, you get it wrong, man. Listen to man, watch out. This is called upholstery. Upholstery, I can fix these things. You know that I can take the old sponge them and cut them up and make pillar. You walk and sell pillar and I get money out of it and you get money. So them three me attack. I'm a man of ideas. I don't come with the money but I come with ideas. If you die at sit down and run down big boy every day. You and big boy I could make pillar, make it on the walk and sell pillar. You sell big pillar? Big boy sell small pillar.
Okay, so you want to come in my life because you see me with big boy. You want to come give me little boy. It can't work.
Hey, if Rastafari come in your life, the life will be better. Because I tell her that the little boy need a role model.
Look at
my daughter now. If I say Leah, jump, she said daddy, oh I say stop, she stop. I said no get on trouble, she no get on trouble. That's what big boy want. Somebody who tell him say watch you now. You see in my idea, instead of we chucking them, you have my walk up and sell pillar.
Fire. Me know say a man have a lot of ideas, but you sound like you will make me dead for you. I read that me and big boy. Me read that me and big boy and I'm so happy. Yeah.
Don't walk and sell pillar.
Don't walk and sell pillar and if you can't give you the money and then you don't give me no.
No, you don't get money.
Me can't bother with no talking right now. Big boy they pan me head already with the foolishness when you do from last night. Me can't. One next time me see you.
No, we not talk about that now. We don't have a big boy argument now. Because if you go to the so, give me look money, me go and me go.
Me don't give you money. Me
yeah, go and fit and come.
So all of the work finished, me go
everything done, man.
So I kill them come back from listen, I kill them on some season with mango deal, you know.
Okay, that's it. You want money to buy a saltfish to go with your bread. Easy myself, I shall.
Alright, go for your money can come there. Go for it can come. Come on, take up my tool them car. We have different work for go check on. I think someone go broke forever. We not like hard working man, we don't want to work. Alright. Let's see how we need to go to tunnel. It's clean up to go and you can't do it. Yeah, woman. Yeah, woman, you have to clean. Alright. Let's take this out of the way first.
Your money here.
Alright. You're a good girl. I would buy your drink so but you not drink. So, you may talk later. You see, I'm loving you. You know, say you love me. But you can't mind me. Get on.
Need to go take up man and mind them. How this God?
I go and like you here with me.
But you know, me hear sing this song again. How it song go?
Hungry lucky tree know when me hungry. Cause sometimes I'm hungry for tree in a rasta.
Lucky tree know you hungry. You know, I go lend you money. I'm not put money in your daddy. Alright, see this here? Vice song. Yeah man, that's the Vice. That's the Vice. Tell him man them down. Listen man, daddy. Give the, me see the studio. I'm an artist. You know what I mean? I don't talk about it much, but I'm an artist. What the engineer name?
Chubby name, you know.
Is it Chubby Dan? A good youth that. Chubby Star. A good youth. You ever know? Just tell him say, I and I send you. You know what I mean? Tell him say, oh, I'm a 5 days. I can't 5 to give him. You know what I mean? When the time right. The song sound like you go shot, you do the song. And then, maybe they will hear the song and like the song and produce it. And that me I tell about, just ensure you do a good song. Me I give you a break. Right now, I go look on I plum tree and every time to talk. You know what I mean? Do your thing, man. Because my daughter get up with someone, I just don't believe now with them talent. Me learn that. You hear me, sir? Alright. Alright, youngster.
Someone can knock you down Chucky too.
I want Chucky stay up here. I'm go up deal with him.
I tell Chucky about I like you.
Yeah, look boy, I'm a big man. What can I like you at talk about?
You can't manage.
Manage what?
Big
go manage your book.
Bigger woman than you.
Go manage your book.
Bigger than you.
And what?
I get to
me and blue are two different somebody.
You can't manage.
Me and I do nothing.
Alright. Please, man, beg you some, please.
Beg me some of what? May I talk to your mother too, so you don't get no look here?
No, I'll go over there.
May I talk to him?
I'll go over there.
Me say may I talk to him so you don't get no lick.
But I'm actually,
me not make him lick him.
No, I'll go over there.
Me not make him get up. No, Candy, listen now. Miss Candy, wait now. Come now. Come now. Miss Candy, wait now.
No.
Matter. Me a beg enough to lick him, please.
Why me not lick big boy?
You know a big boy though? Why me though? Miss Candy, wait now. Nobody lick him.
What you mean me not lick him?
Candy not lick him, man.
Why me not feel?
Me a beg for him.
You a beg for big boy? You know a big boy though?
Why me though?
Me send big boy for me money and big boy take it keep big old party in the same money friend them. All your son involved in it. Big boy spend me money and buy how much liquor and you go tell me yo come here.
Can you wait no lick him?
Yeah, you come like a one laughing thing and me serious and me money big boy use the money to go pay a woman.
Can you not lick pitney too much liquor out there things that's why me not have no sense.
So you used to get liquor when you small?
Only palick.
True, not too bad. Come here.
Can you wait now? Nobody lick him, man.
I can't see for me no lick me. Who wanna pick me when you do something wrong?
Can you lick out in sense?
I'm a talk a thief in thief and you're not supposed to thief.
Come, me not thief for money.
Me not teach you for thief. You're not supposed to take things when I give to you. Me not understand that. No, you, woman. Me know you a long time and me know want me if you have nothing. Don't hold on for my son and they tell me say me not feel lick him.
Candy, I understand, but at the same time I pick me. You see me? Put myself in your shoes now. If I did my pitney, I would lick him because eventually when I lick him, he can't bring back the money.
Me understand what you say. But me sure say you hear about the pitney hand when you broke up there so and me have that the woman that fit pay the rest of money. All that the part there go.
Me not knowing about if you licking the pitney candy, it's not gonna make no sense. So if you want them, me not lick him, that's when it have so much sense. Me not have no sense because I used to get wolf a lick when me young.
We not saying no sense, me understand the part. Come, me not lick him.
Nobody lick him, just go on.
Me understand the part you say you no sense. Come me see it with you, come on. Come.
One. Mother, a big one, me carry come get candy and up a yard. But the main reason why I come down here is my ear see a girl way above the yard, they beat me pitney, now nobody don't beat me pitney.
You used to get a big picnic. That nothing like that. Nothing.
Paw Patrol. Come on, 5 bed. Look at your shoes, dirty. Come on, 5 bed. Come on, 5 bed. Look at the dirty. You see people have put dirty shoes on bed. You're big and nasty. Get up. Get up on 5 bed. Big boy. Eh? What you tell me what you do with it? Stop nice in ya. Stop nice in ya. That the woman there. Chucky mama. She not even know how me. I can't tell me say. Nobody beat you. I saw if I pick me teeth for money. Let it go. You're too rude. You're too rude. You're not fit thief. You're fit top fan teeth. What me say? What me say? Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. Hold out. Lord Jesus. What me say if you do? Top fan thief. You see you? I saw when no thief on no parents things on run go had a parent yard. Then she a come down here with her little old fat self. Come here. Come here. Boy. You see when me send you out, you go and come back and anything me send you for, your car can't give me.
Yes, mommy.
You not take it use it like a yours. It not belongs to you.
Yes, mommy.
You know how much problem you put me in? I know me not give the woman the rest of money. See him pick me hand. Don't hold on for me. You think your papa and mine, you're the one little time when you give me a little piece of money. All the piece of that done, you have to give the woman. Every time you go and see, you're nearly drawn. You're bad thing you do. And you want chuck it. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Come forward. Come forward. Left hand on. Come forward. Left hand on. Left hand on. You're too bad. You're too bad. You're too bad. You're too bad. And come tell me about your put on rest of money. Because come on. Go on, can you go sweep up here? Go. Come on. You're bad like how watching me and you're going to send you up for your pooper.
I don't remember the beat up my pitney down here.
Come here. You're not sick. The girl on the beat up, Chucky. You see me?
Hurry up and sweep up the place. Let's see how long you take to sweep up the place. You know, left out of the yard and go to bad sitting on the road and they hurry up because you don't want me to come catch you. Hurry up and sweep up the yard. Hurry up, man. And that big old dirty boot that you have on, you see that shoes there? You see big and fierce some water boot you need to take off here and wash it. You must be not tired of it. People them soon take your picture in it. Walk about like how you they sweep up. You they sweep up people here and know you can't sweep up for your good. How long you take as such people sweep place? Hurry up! And wash out your dirty brief then when you pack up in a bad pan round your back. Out order. Make me listen you no more time again and tell us me now come back and go do your foolishness again and you see. Me tell us me now come back and you believe. Watching me are you. Hurry up, man.
Chucking on the manners, him tie up all the girl over there. You see me? And I do one bag of idiot something. Yo, you better make Chucky tell you no foolishness. Here.
Me I eat that? Me look like me I eat that? So the bruise them and cut up with them on them body. Where them they come from? Him say I a woman lick him and me no want him step girl beat my pitney.
Listen to me, man. Chucky all over the place, the big boy. You don't know, say, whole abuse that already. Gone a bush, gone do all type of something. Come on, man.
I belt mark them, me no idiot. Me no idiot.
Chucky. You know, make all the girl gone, you know. All me a try to calm her down, she gone, you know. One bag of foolishness she going with over there, you know. Then I come tell you, say, the girl licking. Me never did it then.
Your woman gone and my pitney for that.
Big boy, you need to hurry up and sweep up the place. Because I need to talk to you. Right here, so you go sit down. I wait for you. Make sure you come here to come sit down. I wait for you, you know. Oh.
Yeah, I'm father.
Total.
Look what you say, you tell the lady say Nina go beat me and beat me.
Because I know me don't know if you tell me the truth.
Mommy, I'm my name Big Boy, mommy. You think so I really did go spend off all of your money? I spend some of your money, I not spend all of it, mommy. My name I go trouble all of your money.
Oh, me can prove you say you not spend the whole light.
Mommy, me not tell you no lie, mommy. I invest some life for me enough money. Money did enough, mommy. I mean spend little bit.
So if you not take the whole light money, how much you take?
Mommy, me 1, 4, 7. Them my money, mommy.
1, 4, 7.
Them my money, me spend, mommy.
Them your money you take.
Them my money.
So if I them your money you take, where you do with the rest?
Me leave it in there, so mommy.
You sure?
Yes, me leave all of the money up there, so.
Big boy, make sure you say I tell me the truth, you know.
Me and me name Big Boy, mommy. Me now do this. You can't believe in me. Me your son in mommy. Me your one son and me love you, mommy.
If you did love me, you wouldn't thief your money. Because the money where you thief from me did want to figure give the woman for your race.
Mommy, back and hurt me, mommy.
Your back hurt you? Take care now for me. Your back hurt you?
Lick me hot.
Anyway, you say I know you use all light, you put on some and use this. It's alright. Me will find out. Me have to go try by Blanky. Me will know if you don't speak the truth. But anyhow, the key spin for your name. Me have to go involve police tonight. Cause I treat the cops me they send you and go for my daughter. Cause you not deserve it around me, you know. You better more meet Lexi Tanya and send you a cops because you're better than Lexi. I pay your trouble you put me in. The only thing Lexi do is carry man one time in my house and look at she end up.
And one time in carry man.
How much time?
Enough time, mom.
Enough time. You can't chat with your sister though, but you can't chat with you though. Get up and go wash up your plate then. Get up. One boy, let me have to lick you again. You're going in there so. And don't get me on my wrong side. Go wash up your plate then. Alright.
Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. We interrupt this movie and stop it right here so. To make you know say, please do subscribe to this channel we are watching movie pan. Yeah man, subscribe, it's very important for us to continue its journey. We're fighting a war here. And you can help us win this war. Subscribe now. Yeah man, thanks. Thank you very much. Thank you for stop and we're back to the movie now.
What's up?
I'm okay.
So, a while ago, I just sent somebody for yard with some money for the baby and for Leah, you know. Yeah, man, so. I don't know, it's
So
why.
I don't hear about that.
I just sent off a while ago. I want to commend you for no one say, yo, everything what you do with her, she's brilliant, you know what I mean? So.
By right, I'm your mother.
Yeah, so that's why I love it so much. I don't know why you don't want to live up here, or you want to live up there, so you know what I mean, you can't live down here, so you know, but you do a good job though. I don't mind give one more, I give a son.
No man, no. I just feel like I'm the only one, so I just feel like, you know, live by myself.
No, but you are the only one for true.
I don't feel so.
Some of the time people think different things, but I tell her, say, you're the only one. But
I like on the cheap.
I just the plum tree, you see the plum tree there? Through me
People always go on it, so I have to just stay near teeth. I don't mind doing outside side right now, because on the side right now.
See, same thing. Man like you, me can't breathe for again.
No, you will breathe again.
No.
I said that. But I want more than chop them plum tree.
Much better.
Much chop it down. We for that the case then, but if you have a look business, much change the business and go to something different. So
Yeah.
I do approach here now, you know, so I can carry that something goes.
I swear. Mama said, yeah, intense moments.
No man. So where are they now?
Well, you know, so I'm going to go walk up and I'm going to look back. Philly and start her out because she eat, but you know she love it, so I have to start her out, man.
Well, what am I going to do? I have some things, some errands to finish up because some work I have to some people. So definitely tonight I'll come up there then. Come link it.
Okay.
I'll buy something nice here. You know what I mean?
No, buy Philly.
I'm going to buy something for you.
No,
spend money up there.
yeah.
No, where's that, man?
No, buy for her.
I'm going to buy for you too.
Your daughter.
I'm going to buy for you too.
Your daughter.
Yeah. I'm buying for you. You look good though, as usual.
As always.
Alright, so later.
Yeah.
Can I get a organ or something?
It's alright.
Alright, so later.
Start out with baby as always.
Alright, later I'm come.
Alright.
Go on.
But I know,
Long time I don't see you.
the big boy make her come get candy and I'm going to my baby father.
But your face look a certain way. What do you so that's the trouble here?
The woman not have blick up my pitney, you see me. So.
Oh, the new baby, the new woman on there.
So I come talk to him, but the girl me don't see still, but me not see her.
How is she there?
No, I make me know see me gone from morning.
Oh, yeah. You know, see you love fight for a long time, you know, so.
Sure.
It's a good thing, you know, see her, because you know, so that judgment on there.
Yeah, man.
But you look good though. Take care of yourself.
No stress again, so I can't put on me look weight and, you know.
For a while, I don't see you still. So we feel link up though, because a long time, you know, you go. Because before Chucky ban, things did that go on. But with Chucky Brown, you know, some of my people, maybe I feel the man fan town, but I don't want to get it, but you know, you go.
You know, yeah, you're a woman and things, so.
Yeah, man, but you don't know, you go. About things to go on, when it's to go on. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
What page, man? So you're still up there the same way?
Yeah, man, up there, the same way.
Yeah, we want to figure out a way, man, to make it work, man.
Yeah, man.
Because we can make it work, you know. So you put in eyelash, and the eyelash of my girl.
You know, a little party did go on, so, you know, put myself together and, you know.
Dash out and something.
Dash out and something.
Because I know them people say you're all, but you know, you're a young green girl.
Yeah, man.
When you come to catch my top, I must see you dancing, man. You know what I mean? You look good, my girl.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to show people them property. Nothing go and do.
No, I'm man again, son of people property, I'm my property.
But when I say I'm man up a yard, man, you take to say I'm man up there.
No, man up there. Man, I'm left for a long friend. In big gone and check it bond dog me house and something. So. Him name to come back, isn't he?
Oh, say alone up there now. Rough. I'm kind of busy tonight. Maybe the next time I come check you then. Maybe we'll have reason. Because we can't reason, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we talk later then. Because what am I going to do? I have some errands to run. I have to mash up some around us. But nice seeing you, man. Take care of yourself, man.
Yeah, I can run go up to Chucky. So later.
Alright, burn it down.
Alright.
Alright, good girl.
Tablet.
Oi.
Me I come to you now, brother.
You me dey ask kill me two fish. Come here, what you say?
Alright. I had no money me come to talk to you about. Me did send my son over here to you. Because I know my turn to get me draw. You did give him all my money?
You know, so me never there.
Here, yeah.
I'm left to give my granddaughter.
Oh.
To give me whole $90,000.
So your granddaughter give big boy the money?
Well, me call him and ask him.
Alright, ask her then. I want to know if he can get all right.
Sheriko!
Yes, Grandma.
Come here.
Yes, Grandma.
Me left the partner drug you 90,000 for give you lady. You did give her?
Yeah, me did give me son.
Alright. You hear your son get it.
So you give big boy the whole 90,000.
You were like, you come my door and me give you.
Okay, alright, thanks, here.
Yeah.
Alright then. Alright, Navlet. Thank you very much.
Yeah man, they have killed me 2 fish.
Yeah.
Can't get on do you know.
Alright.
Can you collect partner draw so if you give me something more to eat?
Wait, what are you doing, sir? What are you doing here, sir, man?
My stepmother abused me.
Stepmother?
Yeah.
What do you mean abuse? You better understand.
I beat me for me time up one night.
You terrible stepmother?
Yeah.
Listen to me, you can't take a law in your own hand, you know. If something like that happen, and she beat you, you have to come report it, make a public report.
But you
understand that?
But you don't understand, sometimes they report to the police and take long.
We need to take long.
They don't want to come nowhere.
No, we're going to report at the scene, but we have to know what's going on and see, because a lot of prank calls have been making, you know, even since this holiday time, yeah, a lot of things are going on. So next time if we hear something like that, you know, say at the end of the day, I have to do what the law says. Lock up somebody. You understand what I say?
Lock her up. Go and lock her up.
Go and lock her up. She did it?
You don't know.
You don't know if she did it? For some reason I don't understand what is happening here. You're telling me that she's not there and then Adaya says she's there.
I don't know.
What you tell her?
In a night, me tie her up.
In a night you tie her up. If I hear yourself again, I don't have to arrest you. So better keep your mouth quiet, yeah? Hold a seat and cool out. It's a trouble lane. I don't know the officer. Officer Spoon, rough. I hope I don't see blow today down there, so. Is who this? Hello?
Hello, sir. Is this Officer Smiley?
Yes, how you get my number?
Okay.
How did you
I
get
it from someone. Don't worry about that. I just need to launch
And who am I speaking to, miss?
You're talking to Candy.
Candy? Okay, how can I be of assistance to you, ma'am? You know what?
I need you to launch an investigation for me, please, because I sent my son, big boy, to a lady by the name of Navlet for some partner money because I was not here, so I asked him to pick it up for me. And when I come back, there was a party inside the house. And when I asked my son for the money missing. He told me that he used some of the money and left some, and when I went where he sent me, I did not saw the money there. So I don't know who took the money, but I leave a Rasta man by the name of Fire in my house, doing some work on my veranda. I asked him to give an eye on my son, big boy. But big boy, I want bad boy, and a man. Him left out of here and go anywhere he like. You understand? The money missing.
The money?
The money missing. The money missing, it gone.
So you say?
My son tell me say use some of the money and leave some. When he send me to go look for the money, me not see the rest of money. So me don't know if a line they tell me use of the whole light or use some fit. So when I go there, I don't see the rest of money. And I was here.
So wait, you don't know who took the money?
Sorry, listen to me. Me don't know who take the money. That's why I call you.
Okay.
And so me go to the fire yard and go ask him about the money, right? And him go make me know say when him left and go up a film yard to go eat lunch or whatever. him a big man in having him one time. Yes, me agree. And me know say man no security. But me ask him to give here for my son and the man I go tell me say when him left and go they come back as he reach at the gate, he see this girl named Shakaberry come out of my house. I was not here. Who give her permission to go in there? So me need you to ask this Shakaberry whosoever she be.
Okay.
You understand?
So wait, so Shakaberry is a suspect. So wait, so all the suspect. Alright, listen to me, ma'am. You have to work with me now, right? I'm the officer of the law, right? My name is Officer Smiley and I have to get this thing down to justice, right? So the first suspect is Shakaberry. The second suspect is Fire, the Rasta man that was there doing work, right? And do you have any more suspect?
No, sir.
Are you sure say you had the money there? Right?
Listen.
Yeah, me listening to you.
Get the money from the woman granddaughter. And use some keep a party where you never supposed to keep kind underage.
Are you sure you collect the money?
In the room and when they go in and when you say the money
this lady not listening to me now.
No money not there.
Alright, listen to what I'm saying to you now. Are you sure that your son collect the money and put it where he said he did? Remember you're talking about a 10-year-old child. So are you sure? You're telling me that this... Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, man. A lot of time here.
Responsible for the partner. Her name is Navlet. Me over there by myself and ask her if she give me son the partner money. She said no, she didn't let me give her granddaughter and her granddaughter give my son. So my son out there to take the money and go use some out there. But him saying put on some of the money way there. Where the rest, me don't know where there. Me can't find it. And if people see him put on the money in my house, I'll do anything to use. Nobody have no right to come in and come take you out.
Alright. Well, you see, as long as I don't know who took the money, I'm going to have to find out who took the money. So you just sit back, relax, and let the law take its course. Alright, ma'am? My name is Officer Smiley.
Don't tell me to relax. That is a serious. Right now, the one woman up there, so money being pick me hand when my son broke. No, the money listen, when you go do.
No worry about it, man. I will listen to me. Trust the justice system. The system will take care of itself very swiftly, ma'am. Alright, so you just relax yourself and I'll take care of it. Alright? Have a wonderful evening. And I don't know if I can come by your place to just say hi. To make sure everything is alright. Because sometimes I need to check the area to see. Eh? Excuse me?
Officer Smiley, you hear me?
Yeah, me hear loud and clear.
Me no call you for your come tell me hi. Me call you for your seat. And go start out who take the money from out of the house to then get back the money because me owe people.
So what if I can just come by and make sure that
to look like you chat too much and man. You go start it out, you're doing that you're not doing it.
My God.
You have to go call one ex-police.
No, I'm going to deal with it, ma'am. I'm going to deal. I was just inquiring to see if at some point I can... Hello?
Just deal with it. Alright, my credit are done.
Alright, have a wonderful time. So woman, I don't know when she gonna give me a little time. Every time she want justice. Police want justice too, you know. For yourself, man. I go see what I go on over that place there. Don't let that lane, yeah. Think alright? Alright. Hey. I wonder when me can get through to come live in. Pass through when me feel like. Hello! Candy!
Come in.
So,
hello.
Gate wide open in the evening. We're going. Good evening, Miss Candy.
Good evening, sir.
Even though we just had a conversation on the phone, it's protocol for me to just come here and to check and see what's happening because you made a report and I have to investigate and make sure we find out, you know, the areas and the curves, you know, inside which part the thing there. So I need to find out if there is, you know, maybe a fingerprint, you know, on the area. Understand? So as an officer, as I said before, I need to check these things. So I don't know if it's okay with you. You made a report, so let me continue my report.
Alright, me sorry about that. I forgot to me call you for concho. Come have a look now.
Yeah, alright.
Come, hurry up, but not stay too long in there now. Go on, come, have a look.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's a pleasure to be here, you know. Especially to be invited by you.
I fingerprint you come to take?
I'm going to check the area to see, and yes, check the fingerprint.
Go and go take the fingerprint.
And also I want to ask you a few more questions based on the fact that The suspects you said, right, is what? What will you say again?
Fire and Shakaberry.
Fire and Shakaberry.
Yes.
And they are the only two persons.
Yes, different from my son where use some of my money and he saying put down some of them alone.
So Big Boy is here right now?
Big Boy!
Just go show me the ear. Go and show me the ear.
No, me call Big Boy. Big Boy, come here!
Big Boy? What's the matter, man? What's the matter with you?
Where in I was though?
I sit them in the wash up.
We sitting?
The plate.
Make sure you wash them up good enough. And you name out of them, go wash them. And you see where your cars now? Police have to come in and my house take you. One go wash up the plate them. And you have the yard to rake up. And your bed not spread, member. Go on. Come, sir. Which part you say you put the money? Show the police where you put the money.
Right, that's what I put.
That's where you put the money, boy?
Yes.
Are you sure you put the money right there?
Yes.
And who else was in the room with you when you put the money there? Anybody saw you?
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows see you. Sure about that?
Yes.
I don't, it's an investigation going on. So, Miss Candy, you're telling me that you had him collect the money, put it up there, right? And the only two persons that you can think of right now that maybe took the money was Shakaberry and Fire, the Rasta for on the Plum Chopper Road. That was doing the work out the front.
Right.
Eh? So I can work for the front in there.
You now walk pan out front in here so in the walk out there so.
Okay. Alright, basically what I want to know finally is this.
You come to take your fingerprints or do it fast now, me have something for do, you know. Look here, go and go wash up your plate them. Come I can't bother with this police or this talk so. Take your fingerprint.
If you get my phone when I'm giving now the new update phone, we can process the area and then send it in. So you might have to stand right there so. The light might flash in your eyes.
Now looking at my kitchen. Take your fingerprint.
Alright. See.
You done take your fingerprint already?
No, the picture is taken, ma'am. So but I'm wondering, the next guy, where's the Fire? We just want to make sure. Yes, ma'am.
Two suspects.
Two.
Shakaberry and Fire.
Hello, you see your son around here? He's also a suspect. Tell him to run up and down. Because when we want him, okay? It's 3 suspects. Alright? Alright. So the number you called me on earlier, this is your personal number, right, ma'am? Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call you and make sure all is well during the case. And maybe tomorrow or Friday I might have to go pick you up and we just go down the road. Just to make sure that
Smiley.
Yes, ma'am.
Come out of my house. You come to do your work. What? You take the fingerprint on your phone already.
Yes, right.
Go and go start it out. Because right now I want money to go pay people. Then please can go answer and don't call me phone if I not eat it start out.
Alright, ma'am. I want you to have a wonderful day, ma'am. Because at the end of the day, I am here
Come, let me show you your way out.
I'm here to serve and protect. Alright, ma'am?
Go on now.
I tell you, these days, you have to just stay conscious, you know, because whole of investigation are going on the place. You know what I mean? But we have to go out, we have to do a thing, you know, regardless of the situation. You know what I mean? Because right now, towards how the government thing are going, it's just rough on police. Police have it rough. You know what I mean? So, but then, you come with a drink. You want a drink? Come with a drink. I'm going to a reason, because based on what I'm going, sometimes you have to just hold a drink and sickle your head and know what I'm going. A whole part investigation are going. Service! Hello? Come in. Serve! Who absent? You think alright? Am I your birthday shirt?
No, no, my birthday shirt.
And your birthday today?
No. You know say happy birthday, it's a birthday squad.
Happy birthday! Squaddy, we say that. We are doing squaddy.
No.
You are chubby in there for squaddy? The squaddy are chubby also because you understand where I go. say I drink Scotty.
Yeah, no, sir, I get so much money from, man.
What do you mean, so I get so much money from? We are talking. I watch police.
I watch police, man.
Police, don't you watch police, you know. Watch it, you know. Me I buy you a drink and you watch my pocket. That you are going with? I just want to take back a drink stuff. But anyways, because who you drink, I drink your drink. Oh, you watch my pocket. Give me a next drink, yeah. So give me a bigger drink than film, because we have Pepsi. It's nice, man. I watch my pocket. Don't tired. You know how hard we work?
And I don't say you get paid.
You still that pressure on my pocket. Squad, they will drink, man. A reason come for reason. Yeah, watch my pocket. You know how hard me work? You don't know if me have some good tire bush there. Me have good tire bush, you know. You never can tell. Keep it change, man. Change of fear, man. Respect our manners. So, yo, squad, let me show you advice, man. It's the base pan walk going.
Cool, man.
Now, them are days, you have to set up. You have to set up. Let's see it, man. You have to set up certain things to make sure so you can make it in that system. Because in that system, you can't depend on the justice system. Because I guess, you know, at any point you can just say, yeah, hear me, lay off and all these things. So you have to set up a thing for yourself. So don't watch my pocket. You know what I mean? Go get back to work. Rollins. Alright, my friend. Manners and respect. Here.
Bye.
Alright, man. So remember saying I want for investigation are going on. So we have to go start out and see what I'm going. I guess I'm start already. So I start down a candy place. You know what I mean? Because me say big boy them and all the other people them, we have question them one by one. I want to find out who take it. You remember the night at the party, right? Yeah, so we have to find out who take the money. Because some money will get mixed up in the era. You know what I mean? So we have to find out what I'm going. So let's go. Yeah, my boss. You know, drink Scotty, everyday drinks? Drink up, man. And I tell them about over the yard, guys. You see? A tree smelling over the yard today, you know. A Rasta man. And all these people, so we have to investigate them one by one. Yes, sir? So go and drink a drink and cool down. All them bike boy want to make sure them papers straight, you know. Oh yeah. So Rasta live over there, so Rasta way over there, so you know, live over there, so. Candy, me so live over there so soon. But you walk one, Rasta when you over there say same day. So me check big boy already and Candy we need to check the Rasta. The Rasta house there, plum tree. So we gotta check him and so on. Come in. Your gun so big, I want to get a gun here. Eh?
Long time they give me big gun now.
So what do you expect me to do this? You know, so you see, this is a force here, I don't trust a force thing. A long time in the system I look for a little pipe them are going to give iron, eh? I call me a Rasta, eh? Everything good still. We go investigate. We go ask him some question. Yeah, because I guess I know. We hear saying he in the house the time when the thing are gone. I remember now who want to find the money. Because the money missing. Alright, sir, what are you doing here, sir? Don't move, don't move. Squad, who am I, squad? Don't move. Come on, squad, come on, squad. What are you doing here, sir? You still live?
Yes, I'm live, sir.
Right here, still live?
Over here, I'm live.
Who you live, sir?
I'm a mother.
Yeah, your mother live, sir? Squaddy. Let's make sure you stand first. Stand first, Squaddy. Where's the Squaddy? Yeah, your mother live, sir?
She at work, I know.
She there work, I know. So when you had the workout?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Go on, what?
Trying to lift up this.
Me I hear say some money missing down the road. You know about it?
Which part?
Let me say which part. Turn around, sir. Turn around. What about that fact? Yo, good up your knee. Good up your knee. So me I say some money missing down. So you know about it?
No, sir.
You know about the money?
No.
You know what down candy yard, right?
Yeah, man.
You know a big boy?
Yeah, man.
You my virgin?
No, no.
You know my virgin?
No.
So where you at the party?
No, sir, I'm in there party.
You never there party?
No.
Squad, you believe that boy?
Like boy, tell man.
I like boy, tell the truth.
In that party, man. Don't want to see my party, you know, man.
No, I'm in there party.
Yes, man. Me know say you in there party. So where the money there?
Me don't know about the money.
What is your full name?
My name?
Yeah, are you me I talk to? What's the full name?
Name Onik.
Onik what?
Owel.
Onik Owel? Alright, you are going. Squad, they put him on the list now. Is that what you say we do? We are carry him down or we just go and ask him some questions? Because we drink some on the wall right now and I'm gonna if you just get to, you know what I mean? So what if you do? Carry him down? Carry him down, alright, come here, blood clot. Get up off your knee. I don't understand what your name is. Onik Owel, hold on. Eh? What kind of name that? If your mother really gave that the name there, what go on some man? Come in, squad. Squad, don't forget the drinks. Let me drinks them, squad. Hold up, man. Yes, squad, don't forget the drinks them. Sun hot. Come in, squad. Have a bigger gun. Come in, squad. A big boy, you know. You have a bigger gun, so you have to stay around. Yeah, down the road, down the road.
Paradise Nation, Richard Brown Films. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy. She say, one thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey. Just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Hey, pastor boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now go for your church, boss, not Both you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system a twister. But you are part of the system what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy.
Yeah, glory be to the Most High. Pleasant greetings again. You know what I mean? This year, 2022, we have fight the war through last year. You know what I mean? Come out. Victory is when viewers get the content what they need and take the mind off of the pressures of life, and while teaching and entertaining, it's a balance we are trying to create. Yeah, and what we're doing is reggae movie. You know what I mean? So keep it jamming. This is Jamaican City. You know what I mean? That we're there. You know what I mean? And look forward for more. I want to support. You know what I mean? Paradise Nation, Richard Brown Films, Jamie Wood, Bunny Dung TV. There's a lot of different channels we have, and this is why we make the channel them that because we want to see push yourself to do more work for you guys out there watching. You know what I mean? Oh, I go through them time to whatever situation you're in. We did it, we don't know. We did it, we do it, one family. So give thanks to it. I really appreciate when you're taking the time out to watch the content that we put out. You know what I mean? Really appreciate it. Please again, subscribe. You know what I mean? Whichever channel you go on for it, please do subscribe. It helps to grow the channel them. Stronger we be, the better we go be. The more content we can do. Last year we cut 100 and add pan Richard Brown Films. Now we did like 30 pound this and 30 pound that and 20 pound that. So carry them up for it, please. Just do that. Tell the family about the movie them. It's not tell the loved ones them about it. You know what I mean? Yeah, so big up to everybody out in the world. We are watch from all different parts of walks of life. We know what where you come from, big up yourself. One movement. You know what I mean? Thanks for watching. Big boy to the world. This is 14. So look forward to the 15. We'll keep the fire blazing. There's some new things coming up further on in the story. We just run out as a party first, then we'll come with something different. We'll never see it. So stay tuned. You know what I mean? Big up all of the producer them from other projects them. You know what I mean? Big up all of the sponsor them. You know what I mean? Keep the link. You know what I mean? Let's push this forward. Please do advertise and help us get it out there. If you're from Jamaica, go and tell the TV station them say we're there. Why are they not recognizing us? Is that the true not do nothing bad? What they want to kill two people? Is that the order of the day? When I do good in my country, I don't see nobody highlight you. But you see the people them who watch this, I like you. You know what I mean? Because they don't highlight you in my country when they do good. You know what I mean? They watch the same movie, they talk about it, but they will not give you a strength. You know what I mean? Because they want you weak. But I will speak. You know what I mean? So give thanks from that time till this time. Jah a keep us. And who no one give us a recognition. They cannot deny it. When Jah make the final decision. So we are here to ensure that you get quality stuff out of Jamaica. But with resources, it's very tight. You know what I mean? So we shoot a man and we shoot a night. Just ensure, say, we get some work done. But the resources is very limited to do the project that I really need. The brain and the ambition is very huge. You know what I mean? So it's taking time to get where we really want to be. This is not this is not the peak. You know what I mean? It's plenty thing we have available, but we don't have the resources. We have the knowledge, but we don't have the power. Because knowledge and power is two different things. Just like in my country. People have the knowledge and know that what's going on in the country is not good, but they don't have the power to change it yet. But Jah will give them the power to change it, and all who've been doing foolish, the people them go get the power and go use it. You know what I mean? For now, we have the knowledge. Nothing's ever full. We have knowledge, you have the knowledge. Let's help each other to gain the power. Alright? Blessed time, wherever time you watch this span. Bless the time. Because we're here now and this is our time. You know what I mean? That's what I'm talking of, my time, man. Big up on yourself. Bunny dog to the girl.